Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn how to play pyramid. Now this is very important chapter, a very important chapter. If you practice well this pyramid, you will have a full control all over your notes and also your breathe. Okay. Initially, I do recommend start from bass pa. So pyramids is what? Pa, pa, dha, ni, dha, pa. If you write this properly in your paper, it will show as a pyramid. So what is the notes? Pa, dha, pa. Taking another note and return back to the origin, but follow the same path. Pa, dha, ni, dha, pa. Pa, dha, ni, sa, ni, dha, pa. Pa, dha, ni, sa, re, sa, ni, dha, pa. Like that it will go. Okay. Let me show you. I will start from bass pa. Like this way, if you have observed, I'm taking another note and returning back to the origin, main source of note. So you have to maintain this process. Like this way, we will go to all the notes, all over the notes we can go upper ma. Now, if you want to practice a komal gre and komal dha, you can add this is in your pyramid. It will be like. So whatever the raag, whatever the thought you are learning, you take that scale and you will play. Scale means if it is Bhairav, then sa komal re ga ma pa komal dha ni sa, then you will use this scale. Bilawal, all the Shuddha Swara. Like that, if you play Kaafi, then komal ga and komal ni, you can choose like. Like this way. Okay. Now I will play only Bilawal and I will show you to the upper ma. So let me start. Please remember one thing, you have to take breathe in bass pa. If you are taking breathe, then you can reach to the upper ma. Otherwise you will struggle. Like this way you can play. Now if I play komal dha and komal re, now I will play Raag Bhairav, means third Bhairav. So I am taking the scale which is komal re and komal dha. I will start from pa and reach to Shuddha ma. I have reached to Shuddha ma. You can reach to any notes you want. Maximum you can go sa, then re, then ga, ma. You can reach up to upper sa. Now I am playing Komal ga and Komali. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Please practice. This is a very important chapter, pyramid. Okay, see you in another video.